Today we're checking out these AlphaRex Nova Series Prismatic LED taillights with alpha black housings and clear lenses for the 2024 and newer Tacomas. If you're looking for a serious rear end upgrade that's both a style move and a visibility move, these are absolutely in that premium category, so they're worth checking out. These taillights are all about a modern look and maximum brightness at the same time. You're getting AlphaRex's Nova Series LED technology designed to put out a really strong and crisp light, which helps other drivers see you sooner when you're braking, signaling, or backing up. The prismatic light tube design is really what sets these apart visually. It gives you that high-end custom look that makes the Tacoma stand out without looking too cheesy. You're also getting full LED functionality for brake, turn, and reverse, so everything looks consistent and modern instead of mixing old bulbs and new styling. Another huge reason people go for a set like this is the plug and play setup, because you get that premium look without turning the install into an electrical project. If you're building a newer Tacoma and you want the rear end to match the rest of the clean, updated build, this is the kind of lighting upgrade that instantly changes the whole vibe of the truck, so it's definitely worth considering. Now, when it comes to the construction, you're going to be getting a slick alpha black housing paired with a clean, clear lens, along with a fully integrated LED design built around that prismatic light tube layout. The whole point here is a clean, high-end appearance with bright, modern lighting that looks intentional and performs like it should. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in that $900 price range. Yeah, that's kind of an investment for some taillights, but you're paying for a premium design, full LED performance, and that signature look that cheaper options just don't have. If you want top tier style and brightness on a brand new body style like your Tacoma, this is the kind of upgrade that really makes sense. When it comes to the install on this one, it's getting rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter since it's a plug and play setup. And you can have this job done in just 30 minutes of your time. So let's head on out to the shop, and we're gonna give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
For this install, you need a ratchet and a 10mm socket. Today we're gonna be installing taillights on our Tacoma. Let's get into it. First, we're gonna remove these 2 bolts right here. For that, you're gonna use a 10mm socket and a ratchet. Once you've removed those 2 bolts, you can pull on it this way from the side. Pull it off. You're going to see a little tab right here. You're going to disconnect it and set this taillight aside. Now it's time to install the new taillight. So you're just going to connect it just like that till you hear a little click. Push this cable over here. We'll put it on. We're going to use that same 10mm socket and ratchet to tighten down these 2 bolts. Now that you've installed this taillight, complete the same process on the other side.
All right, well, that wraps up our review and install of the AlphaRex Nova Series Prismatic LED taillights with alpha black housings and clear lenses for the 2024 and newer Tacomas. And for all things Tacoma, keep it right here at Extreme Terrain.